Hi and welcome to English Cafe. In this vocabulary lesson, you're going to learn 40 Indian vegetable names in English. Let's begin. Potato, onion, tomato, ladyfinger, brinjal, cauliflower, cabbage, mushroom, lettuce, capsicum or bell pepper, broccoli, cucumber, pumpkin, bottle gourd, pointed gourd, bitter gourd, spinach, mustard leaves, spring onion, coriander leaves, mint leaves, curry leaves, peas, zucchini, beans, cluster beans, carrot, radish, turnip, sweet potato, taro roots or colocasia, beetroot, elephant yam, jackfruit, baby corn, drumsticks, green chili, red chili, raw banana, raw papaya. Now it's the time to test your understanding. These are baby corns. These are beetroots. These are capsicums or bell peppers. These are bitter gourds. This is a bottle gourd. These are brinjals. This is a broccoli. This is a cabbage. These are carrots. This is a cauliflower. These are cluster beans. These are coriander leaves. These are zucchini. These are cucumbers. These are curry leaves. These are drumsticks. This is elephant yam. These are beans. These are green chilies. This is a jackfruit. This is a ladyfinger. This is lettuce. These are mint leaves. These are mushrooms. These are mustard leaves. This is an onion. These are peas. These are pointed gourds. This is a potato. This is a pumpkin. These are radishes. These are raw bananas. This is a raw papaya. This is a red chili. This is spinach. These are spring onions. These are taro roots or colocasia. This is a tomato. These are turnips. That's all for today's vocabulary lesson. Watch again to learn all the names, pause, understand, and practice again. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to English Cafe for more vocabulary lessons. Happy learning!